Good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to talk about a fort that is not just a structure of stone and rock, but a symbol of pride, courage, and the birth of an empire. I'm talking about Torna Fort, also known as Prachandagarh. Located near the village of Vilhe in Pune district, Torna Fort stands tall at a height of 1403 meters or 4603 feet. It is the highest fort in the Sayadri range, and trust me, when you stand at the top, the views are just as majestic as its history. Now, why is Torna Fort so special? Because it was the first fort conquered by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj way back in 1646, and that too at just 16 years of age. Can you imagine? At an age when most of us are still figuring out what to do, he laid the foundation of Maratha Empire. By capturing this fort, that single step marked the beginning of something truly historic. The fort itself is ancient. It is believed to have been built in the 13th century, possibly by Shaiva Panth, and later passed through many hands, the Bahamani rulers, the Nizam Shahi, and the Adil Shahi, before finally coming under the control of Shivaji Maharaj. Even during the Treaty of Purandar in 1665, the fort was handed over to Mughals. It was not lost forever. The Marathas fought back and reclaimed it. Now, coming to its features, Torna Fort is huge. There's the Kothi Darwaza, the main entrance, built in the Maratha style. Then there's the peaceful Mengai Devi temple, where most trekkers take a short break. And don't miss the Zunzar Machi and the Budla Machi points. These are long ridges or plateaus on the fort that give stunning views of the mountains and the valleys around. Budla Machi, interestingly, looks like an inverted pot. That's where it gets its name from. Torna Fort is not just history lovers. It's not for just history lovers. It's a paradise for trekkers. The trek is a bit challenging, especially during monsoon, but the green hills, flowing clouds, and the energy of place makes it totally worthy. There are also water tanks on the fort that still hold clean water even after centuries. So, my friends, Torna Fort is not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel. It reminds us of the strength and the vision of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the spirit of Swarajya. Every stone on this fort has a story. Every breeze that flows carries the pride of our history. In conclusion, I would just like to say some places are crowded for all but free for the one who truly seeks them. And Torna Fort is one such place. Open not just to your footsteps but to your heart and your soul. Thank you.